stops.
Ruthie thought that was a Tesla.
Nobody. Wow, $25 and nobody.
Yeah, that's what it is. Really cool. It's not very often.
Guys, they're getting pretty medium on the supply of hot dogs and hamburgers here if you're hungry. It's only $3 for a hot dog, $5 for hamburger. Guys, that's half of what you would pay at McDonald's. And this way you have to leave. So definitely avail yourself, get some food, get some drink. And again, all of this goes towards the youth here at this church.
He's got one. $175 for this one.
They are. I just paid them.
Okay.
I can do that too. Congratulations on your win. I watch your dad.
Oh, thank you.
You watch my dad. He watches my dad.
Sure do.
What'd you do now?
I think more people recognize Ruthie than they do me. Because she's a girl. She stands out a little bit more.
No, not for $5.
Your tabletop cruiser, incredibly beautiful t-shirt. So you want to grab a ballot from Raymond and help us choose the winners for the show.
I want to do it. Sorry. What'd you get for the paint shake?
Oh, it's a demo.
Yeah, I don't know.
I had one of those when I was a kid. I looked at my life. I think that's convertible.
As far as that.
Love on, kiss, shake the hand to the person who's got their hands up. I lost my father in Vietnam. Gentlemen, I want to thank you for serving. You guys are the reason why we have
3 years
the freedom
retired
to
now.
do what we're doing right now. Give you guys a big, huge hand. I have a gentleman here who has a Vietnam vet hat for anyone who is a Vietnam vet. If you're a Vietnam vet, come on up. All right. The other announcement I wanted to make, well, we have two more announcements actually.
That's too full.
First of all, guys, this show is a tremendous
I pulled the
team
parts out
sport.
and I stuck it in there.
It's a team activity based on individuals who came together to put the show on. It's a team activity for our club to get it together.
Yeah,
And
he
it's a
was
team
to build them,
activity
and I
to
never
work
built them.
with
They had the
Kenny's
six-cylinder,
Blue Crew.
the overhead cam six.
So I wanted to personally thank
think
all
so,
of you
I'm
who
not
helped us on our show. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to join me in
That's what I'm
thanking all
looking
of
for.
those who helped put
I never
together the
took
Southlandz
anything from it.
Model Car Show.
So I'll complete that.
With that in mind, square foot facility to a 10,000 square foot facility to now what you're in is a 20,000 square foot facility. It has been tremendous. With that in mind, we believe that we could grow the show by subtraction. Already, 70 stock cars, the golden age, and of course the salute to the military. So if you have any questions about our decision, feel free to come up to me and talk to me about it. We're going to see you guys. For the vendors that weren't here at this show, every table was paid for. We were sold out again. I don't understand why they're not here, but I have a feeling since we're going to be an annual show versus a biannual show, that not showing up is not going to be an option anymore for anyone who buys tables. Thank you guys.
Matthew.
Howdy.
Just wanted to meet you. My name's Jack.
Hey,
I watch
Jack.
your channel.
Thank you, Jack. Hey guys, this is
I
Jack.
hadn't built a kit in 35 years. I started watching your videos. Now I'm hooked again.
Well, good. I'm glad I hooked you.
I just bought like 30 kits.
Well, good. I'm glad. Good to meet Jack.
Yeah, well, I came down. I wanted to meet you.
Well, thank you, man. Appreciate you. You don't
I
mind me
enjoy your
being on my video,
videos.
do you?
I recognized her. That's how I found you.
I told her a while ago, I said, I think more people recognize you because you're a girl and you stand out more than they recognize me. So.
Well, when you see someone that young here,
Yeah, that's true.
yeah,
That's true. I dragged her here.
most of them are old guys like us. So anyway, it's nice to meet you.
Same here, man.
It's nice to meet you too.
Welcome to Florida.
Hey,
Dale.
Dale?
Yep.
Dale, you mind being on my video? Look at that.
I got the decals for the chicken pit special.
Do you?
Going on
You're
now.
going to make it?
I made
he-
one back in the 80s.
He's going to do
I'll
it.
redo it again.
Well, good for you. Good to meet you, Dale.
Welcome to Florida.
Thank you, man. Ruthie says she likes this kit, but it looks kind of dingy. Dodge Ram Charger. I've never seen that kit before. I wonder if it's all there. Looks like it. Let's even got the decals. Well, that's awful cool.
Guys, when you're filling out this ballot, we need you to put in the complete number. So if the entry of the model was 18.2 that you want to
1980.
vote on, then you need to put in the number 18.2. If you do not,
Here are two helmets here, which is pretty cool. Who's that signed by somebody famous, I guess. Cool looking helmets there.
Gotta have it. I gotta.
How you doing?
Hey, pretty good.
What are you getting for these things?
Most of those are 40 to 50.
Okay.
Yeah. Some of them been started, some of them haven't. Some of them
You know, I like to collect just the boxes.
Yeah, that's what's, yeah.
The artwork is so.
How you doing, my friend?
the other thing that we're getting fair to that, I was thinking, Joe, you're coming back here about what's that? People don't know. The other thing is, it's like getting
I'm gonna miss most of that.
I'll catch you back here. I want Okay, if you haven't voted in our Dealer's Choice contest, now's the time to do it. So if you're looking at the models and you don't have a ballot, please grab a ballot and help us select the winners of the show.
He said he saw me on TV. He must watch YouTube on his TV.
Well, yeah, I do. Yeah.
I want to report on what they have and
Smell food.
and then
Let me know what's good and what isn't.
No, it's just, oh, well, I bought these, somebody else. This, that is the color across the very, very beautiful. Yep, that's just the way it came in the kit. Takes a while, just 200.